Publix haul for the week, or Publix heist. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah. This is $63.70 worth of goods, and was all said and done, they paid me $11.67. This is for the week of December 10th to December 16th. I'm going to be trying to do this every week, post it on the first day of the week, so you guys can do a lot of these deals, hopefully all of them, throughout the week. So please subscribe to my channel. So we got foil pan here. I forgot the Destin diaper rash creams at my mom's house, and I got some Axe body wash, got synergy drink, protein, we got some pasta, we got some pesto, we got some coffee, and we got some gum, flossers, as well as some cheese. So I was able to do this deal with the help of manufacturer coupons, digital coupons, and ibotta. All the links are in the details below. So it's a small heist this week. We also got digital coupons, and all the links are below to print these coupons. We also got ibotta. Small heist. So once again, subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. More cool stuff over here. And everybody enjoy their holidays.